Yeah, like the Aventador is like the daddy car.
Yeah,
and
is
the
it?
Huracan's the mummy car.
Aventador is the daddy.
It's a 15 plate, I didn't even realise that.
What, the Huracan?
The fucking
Oh yeah, the
Aventador.
Aventador, yeah, 15 player.
I didn't realise that.
Vicky, your car's nice as well, man.
Yeah, but Vicky's car's in a different league.
Vicky's car's a different league.
Don't take the red flag. Don't take the red flag.
He took it.
Oh my god.